curious minds. Welcome to our scientific adventure, where we dive into the fascinating world of curious learners. Today, we're ready to unravel the mysteries behind some of the most intriguing scientific questions. Let's embark on our journey together. How do submarines go under the sea? Great question. Submarines have a unique ability to dive beneath the waves due to their ballast tanks. By adjusting the water inside these tanks, submarines can control their buoyancy. Filling the tanks with water makes them heavier than water, allowing the submarine to sink. To resurface, the tanks are emptied, making the submarine less dense, and it rises back to the surface like a floating vessel. How do helicopters work? Helicopters are incredible flying machines. They have rotating blades on top, called rotors, which generate lift as they spin. By adjusting the pitch of the rotor blades, the pilot can control the helicopter's movement up, down, forward, backward, or sideways. This versatile design allows helicopters to hover in one spot, making them perfect for various tasks like rescues or transportation. What is a sonic boom? Great question! A sonic boom is a fascinating phenomenon that occurs when an object, such as an airplane or a supersonic aircraft, travels through the air faster than the speed of sound. As the object approaches the speed of sound, it creates pressure waves that merge together, forming a shock wave. When this shock wave reaches the ground, it produces a loud and distinctive sound, the sonic boom. What is a black hole? Excellent question. A black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their gravity at the end of their life cycle. They are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, devouring everything that comes too close. What is gravitational power? Wonderful question. Gravitational power refers to the force of attraction between objects with mass. It's the force that keeps our feet on the ground and holds planets in their orbits around the sun. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational power. Sir Isaac Newton famously described this force with his law of universal gravitation. How do flights take off from aircraft carriers? A marvel of engineering. Aircraft carriers use a system called the catapult to launch planes from their decks. The plane is attached to a steam-powered catapult, which accelerates it to a high speed within a short distance. This extra speed is crucial because it allows the aircraft to achieve enough lift and take off from the short deck of the carrier. That concludes our Curious Learner's journey for today. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of scientific wonders. Keep your minds curious, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the fascinating world around us.